गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरा गुरुर्साक्षात् परब्रह्मा तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः। तस्मै
Hello everyone. Today on this auspicious day, I Tejasvi Rajguru from 9th B would like to express my thoughts towards Guru Purnima. As India is considered to be the land of gurus, spiritual masters and teachers, Guru Purnima is a major traditional festival that is celebrated throughout India with great fervor. This day is celebrated on the full moon in the Ashad in the month of June or July. It is done to honor all the gurus who have dedicated all their life towards self-realization and spreading enlightenment throughout the world without any personal gain. This day is widely celebrated to recognize the significance of teachers in our life and pay respect. We find different gurus in the different walks of life, and a real life guru can be anyone who guides you and makes efforts to push you to the road of success. According to the ancient beliefs, our parents are the first gurus in our life, and their place is considered above than the God. They teach us passion and love from the childhood itself. The second gurus that come into our life are in the form of our school teachers. They define our cultural and social beliefs and are considered the most important to obtain good social knowledge and shape our morals as we step into the future. Guru Purnima is a grand day that is significant to review the connection between the students and the teachers in both academic and the spiritual way. Students and disciples all over the world dedicate this day to their teachers and recognize the significance of teachers in their life and receive their blessings. In the present era, where rural values and the feeling of mutual respect are declining, it has become essential to understand the importance of this festival. So let us all celebrate Guru Purnima by paying deep gratitude and devotion to all the people who have played the role of gurus in our life. Thank you.
लड़खड़ाते हैं हम, थाम लेते हैं आके वो, खो जाए राह तो राह रोशन करते वो। कभी मुस्कुराते हैं वो, कभी गुस्सा करते हैं वो, हम है यकीन हमसे प्यार करते हैं वो। दिए की ज्योति सीप में मोती, ये दुनिया इतनी हसीना होती, हम में भी सलीका न होता, जीने का तरीका न होता। ओ टीचर तुमसे पाया है सभी कि भूलेंगे ना तुमको हम कभी। छोटे छोटे हाथ, छोटे से पाँव थे, नन्ही सी आँखों ने जब देखा था उन्हें, न था मालूम कि तुम ही तो दोगे पहचान हम सभी को, इसलिए शुक्रिया दिल से तुमको। दिए की ज्योति दीप में मोती, ये दुनिया इतनी हसीना होती, हम में भी सलीका न होता, जीने का तरीका न होता। ओ टीचर तुमसे ही पाया है सभी कि भूलेंगे ना तुमको हम कभी। के पाँव थे, नन्ही